Hi, Joe Cerrone. Just putting together a class announcement for the MFG 141 CNC machining operations. We're going to continue to run the course that we started in January within the guidelines of the college. In other words, with the coronavirus, um, we can't have class in person, at least not until after April. So, for those students that um, want to continue, we'll use the Immerse to Learn training program. And there's quite a bit of material in there. Granted, it's not the same as being in the classroom, but I'll post some videos on how to install that software download. And then, we'll take a look at that as we go through the course. Okay, so with that said, if we go to the Immerse to Learn website, you can download the software. Now, I've already downloaded it, and so I'm just going to show you what it looks like once you have it installed. Otherwise, I have to go forward and then backwards. So, once you install the downloads, you'll have a icon that says Immersive Engineering, and you just click on that, and it'll take you to the Oakton component of Immersive Engineering, and you can log in. If you have any difficulty with your login, just email me. And then here's our course for 2020, and the course comprises of all these other modules right here. And so we'll start working through these. When we left off, we were doing um, 3-axis CNC milling machine programming, and that's where we'll continue with the next lecture. To download the software so that you can use the simulators, there's this link, Course Tools, and you select Downloads, and then download this Learn CNC latest version, and it will install the simulators for the use of the software. And then once you have the simulators there, you can run through the course curriculum like in programming, and you'll take the pre-tests and post-tests for each of the modules along with the comprehensive exam. And then within that there are these programming modules like Programming Lab 1 and 2. And then if we look at it, here's these programming modules that we can go through and program and simulate. Okay, that's the end of this video.